Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a slide in and swing pt.design as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go rotate, select object, base point, copy, angle 90, enter. Go arc, enter, center click, center point, next point, click here, OK, select object, group, create group, OK, group, copy, select object, base point, press shift key and right click, meet between 2 points, click 1 point, click 2 point, enter, again copy, select object, base point, click here, OK, enter, then select group objects, ungroup, OK, accept, OK, ungroup. Now go wipe out frame, create, close, select wipe out frame, change wipe out layer, draw order, center back, regional, OK. Now go block, B, enter, block name, slide in and swing, door 1, select object, enter, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor, OK, parameter, base point, parameter, linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, select distance 1 parameter, go properties, number of grips 0, chain action, click yes, OK, distance 2, select, go properties, rename, wall depth, number of grips 1, exit, select distance 3 parameter, go properties, rename, width, number of grips 1, exit, OK. Now go actions, scale, select distance 1 parameter, select object, enter, action, stretch, select width parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect curve, enter, stretch, select, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, angle 90, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select distance 1 parameter, enter, select stretch 2, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect curve, distance 1 parameter, enter, select stretch 3, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter. Now go parameters, alignment, center point. Okay, parameter, flip, quick here, quick here, quick here. Okay, again parameter, flip, quick here, quick here, quick here. Okay, actions, more, select parameter, parameter point, select alignment parameter, flip state to select, enter, go more, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, again go action, more, select parameter, parameter point, select flip state 1 parameter, enter. Okay, action, more, select parameter, parameter point, select object, select object, select, enter, select more 2, go properties, distance 0.5, enter. Okay, action, flip, select parameter, enter, type all, enter, enter, action, flip, select parameter, enter, type all, enter, enter. Okay, now go parameters, visibility, visibility point, visibility status, rename, open, new, half. Okay, new, 3/4. Okay, new, close. Okay, open, set current. Okay, now go visibility, select open, make invisible, click, select object, select object, select object, enter. Now go visibility, select half, make invisible, click, select object, select, select object, select, select, select object, enter. Okay, again go visibility, select 3/4, click make invisible, select object, select object, select object, enter. Again go visibility, select 3/4, make invisible, click, select object, okay, enter. Again go visibility, select closed, make invisible, click, select object, select object, select object, select object, enter. Okay, now save block, click, close block editor. Okay, let's see. Stretch, half, stretch, 3/4, stretch, closed, stretch, flip, open, stretch, wall depth, 3/4, half, closed, flip, open, flip, flip. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.